Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about Dropdown, how to make Dropdown with CSS and HTML. So let's dive into the code. First of all, let's have one div, and inside this div we will have one button and we'll name it foot. So I will want Dropdown for foot. At the bottom of this we'll have one div, and inside this let's have anchor text that you can link it to your pages if you have. So here I will name it pizza. So I have got just this 4 food items, and for me I will just one paragraph as well at the bottom, like giving information about this food. But let's give them some class name to style them in CSS. So I will name it Dropdown, and for this div I will name it content. So coming to our style.css, first of all I will target my Dropdown, and inside my Dropdown I will target the button that we have here. So I will just give it a bit of style. Maybe I will change the background color to be this color. How it looks, let's see. I think it is good. Border to be none, and we will have it padding around. So what about 8 pixel? So I will give the vertical one 12 pixel. Now I think that's good, but we will change the color a bit to become a bit whiter. Now inside our drop down I will target my content, and inside my content I wanna select the anchor tag, and I will give it maybe like text color to be black, and I don't want that underline, so I will remove it by text decoration to be none, and change each of them display to be block, so they come on top of each other. I can give them one padding as well, maybe 5 pixel and 10 pixel for the vertical. I think it looks perfect now. Now inside my drop down I wanna choose my content, and let's have the display of the content. For the initial part let's have it none, but whenever inside my drop down I hover inside my drop down, when I hover I wanna have this display of my content to be back to block. Let's see. So when I hover, you see it works, but it pushes the other elements down. That's what I don't want to happen. So I will set the position to be like absolute. Now what happened? Oh no, not that one, not the anchor tag, but this one, the position to be absolute. Now it is working. You see the elements are not pushing down, but it does not have background color, so it's not very visible. So let's give it one background color of white, but you can change it here. Now I think it is okay, but we can add we can apply other elements as well, like we inside our drop down and inside our content we target the anchor tag, and when we hover here the pseudo class, we can say that the BG should be, the background color should be white. So now when you hover the background color changes, but when we hover on the button nothing happens. So let's give it a style as well inside my drop down, and I wanna target my button and give it the pseudo class of hover. The BG color should be gray, but we can change it manually, like a bit darker. Now when I hover my button, you see that the hover, the pseudo class affects, it becomes darker, and my drop down also have this beautiful pseudo class of hover. So it was all about today's lesson. It was just an introduction for the drop down. We will talk more about it in the coming practical example. So see you in the next video.